Help me help you.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu in Android. Requirements as follows. ES File Explorer, BusyBox, Linux Deploy, Termius, VNC Viewer, RAR, and Ubuntu image file. Go to this website to download the image file. Link is in the description. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this image file. After downloading the file, open the ES File Explorer. Go to Storage. Go to Download folder, and you will get a zip file, which you downloaded. Extract the zip file using RAR app. Select both the files for the extraction. Wait for the extraction to complete. After extraction, you will get two files of Ubuntu. Select, and rename the folder as Ubuntu. Select, and move the renamed folder outside of Download folder. Open BusyBox app. BusyBox will install all the necessary Linux commands. Don't modify any settings inside the BusyBox for the prevention of further problems. Close the BusyBox app. Now open Linux Deploy app. Select the download button below. Under containerization method, select your root option. Under distribution, select Ubuntu. Don't modify some of the options, leave it as it is. Under the installation path option, remove the pre-existing path. Select the image file. Copy the path of image file. Paste the path which is copied. Under the file system, select Export option. Enter the password as Ubuntu. Select the initialization system option. Select the SSH server option. Select the graphical environment option. Select the three dots in the upper right corner. Select the configure option. Wait for the installation to complete. Start the container using Start option. Now open Termius app. Press the plus sign and select New Host option. Type host name as localhost. Select SSH option. Type the port as 22 if it's not specified. The username should be same as it is in the Linux deploy app, which is Android. And the password, which is Ubuntu. Select Done. Click on host you created. It will ask for the confirmation of RSA key, which is a connection key. Press connect. It will open the terminal. Now type PNC server. Hit enter. You will get output as localhost session number, in which the session number starts from 1 and so on. Session number changes whenever you create the connection intermediate. PNC viewer. Select the plus sign. Enter the address localhost session number as output, which is displayed in the Termius app. Give the computer name as Ubuntu. Select Create. Press Connect. Press OK to continue. Enter the password as Ubuntu. Press Continue. And Ubuntu will be booted up at your screen. You can test the features of Ubuntu in Android. Press the X symbol to close the computer. Press Disconnect. To close the Termius app, just open it, and it will automatically close the connection. To close the Linux deploy process, just press the stop button and it will stop the process container. Swipe right. And press exit to close the Linux deploy app. If you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel.